Good morning, everyone. Uh, by the name Mohamed Hassan Abdulkadir, being as a supervisor from Somali community and also a CPF from Plavu under that project of review. Uh, if I begin with some introduction, with that of self-introduction, my background education is that of up to now I'm university level, with the graduation of human resource management and leadership. That's I think it's enough for educational level. Forward moving in terms of community issues, our Somali community was established in the year of 2010 up to now. It's working. Here we are they are passed by several chairmen. Currently we are having Chairman Sidang Nasir Musa is the currently chairman of our community. Since 2017 up to now, is the one who is serving our community. So as a Somali community worker, being titled as a supervisor, we serve clients in so many areas, areas like people who are having health issues, may it be mental health issues, may it be other health issues. We connect them together with institutions like those of AHA and so on. Also, we serve clients who are in need of business issues, and we connect those our clients of us. We serve as a community, as a small community office, together with them. We connect like institutions like IRC under the project of the Plavu project and that of building projects. And also we serve other clients who are in need of like security issues. Maybe they have done something wrong with the advocacy or with the law of the country, so or they have collided each other or family issues. So they are being taken to police stations, either to nearby polices or that of the main police, that of all Kampala police. So we handle their issues in an advocacy way as also in a community way. Briefly, what I can say is those are the issues we do as a Somali community office. In terms of member we have in the Somali community, they are so large because of but an average I can give you that of there are almost 2 million we have as clients and in Uganda, in rural Uganda. They are sparse in everywhere in Uganda.
What are we doing in terms of the database that you have, like within Kampala, the ones that you handle here? What is the estimated number?
Estimated number, the ones we handle currently are yeah, 5,000.
Around 5,000. The composition, which is the biggest, is in terms of women, is it more the children, the women, who are the majority?
The majority numbers are women, mainly mothers, single mothers.
Yeah, first of all, we are trying for Plavu team, supporting us for as a Somali community. We also help for people for training, for factory, tailoring, plumbing, and other skills they need. And also we have a training, we have a session of different communities. Also, Plavu, we thank the way we want to engage for us, also rebuilding. From Plavu team, and also we need to support for like skills for people. Some people they need for plumbing, some people they need for bakery, and some people they need for mechanics. Also, this office we are doing for supply. Also, as people we helping for us as Somali community. Our chairman is Sid Ahmed Musa, and thank you Plavu for coming our office. We are thank you.
According to us, as Somalis and also as CPFs, Plavu is came from a long form of platform in small rangers. Therefore, since you have interacted with them, really it was assisting in small ventures in the whole of Kampala or the 5 divisions in Kampala. Therefore, and so far we have interacted with so many issues and they have assisted us in so many areas in terms of like for example advocacy issues and also we have done with them so many trainings that helped our clients.
You've mentioned of one of the activities you've identified is advocacy. Then you've also mentioned the area of trainings. Can you give us any of the trainings that you've benefited from Plavu and how it has impacted maybe to the clients of the communities?
In the way, the trainings we have taken so far, they covered so many topics or so many areas, and some of them are like that of government structure and advocacy, that of women empowering, and we had also other trainings like planning and budgeting, and we had also other trainings like that of challenges facing the communities and how to advocate them in legal documentations. And also we had that of how they can make, for example, small ventures where they can pass. Like for example here, was that of challenges refugees and vulnerable must face accessing labor markets and process of legal documentation, business and association registration was one of them. Access to business and financial services, also it was one of them, and also understanding labor market entry. Those are some of the topics we covered together with Plavu under the project of the bill. Covered has impacted our clients, our Somali clients, all of them, but the main one that has, or the main ones that have affected or they have got more benefits are those of that of planning and budgeting was one of them, and also that of challenges refugees and vulnerable hosts face in accessing labor markets and process of legal implementations. This one has impacted more and more because of, as you know, Somalis are now approximately to 1.5 years. Their registration process under the OPM office, it has been put as on hold. That's what they have told us by the OPM office. They have put on hold. And it's on the table of the cabinet ministers. So since we have been done like that for almost 1.5 years, so when we have got that topic of which is challenges refugees and vulnerable host communities face in accessing labor market one, and also process of legal documentation. So this that issue of unregistration for almost 1.5 years comes under legal documentation. So since we have large numbers who are unregistered for almost 1.5 years, so when they had that training, that topic training, really we have got some impacts from them and some feedbacks from them that saying that they were saying that truly this topic has helped us on handling this unregistration issue together with the OPM. So after doing that topic and them to them, our clients understanding, the legal way to pass to handle that issue. We had several meetings with the opium office together with the other Somali community elders and leaders together. We went several times to the opium office handling that issue. So every time we went there, they were giving us feedback as one time they give us they told us we are the ones who are doing corrupt issues. Other time we went, they told us there are other Somalis who came from Kenya and they are documented there and they have documentation there, and yet they are taking refugee ID cards here in Uganda. Other time we went again, we had other meetings with them. The final meeting we had with them, they told us your issue is under the table of cabinet ministers and they are the ones who are put on hold. So we can't give you further information unless they are the ones who remove that on hold. Yeah. Mainly the challenges we have are to those who are unregistered. By the way, it's true that those unregistration, whatever issues, it comes under the government. It's a government issue. But the way Rebuild or that the project Rebuild and Plavu helped us is that of getting them an advocacy issue or advocacy training. After we train them, the way they can handle their issues. Yeah. So when we have trained them, they have known that the way forward to handle that issue. Yeah.
So you realize some positive change?
Yeah, we have realized some positive change.
You mentioned of participatory planning in the budget process.
Yeah. For local counseling or local community meetings, that of like the LC1. Here we have LC1 in the Sato area, and also we have other LC1 here. So in those meetings, whenever we are having, they participate in those LC1 meetings.